What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. Today, early in the morning before I go to work, I had to take care of some business for the Mustang GT. You know what I'm saying? About to get some decals, special decals from the homie. Half you guys know him already in the Bay Area, man. If you're out here in the Bay Area, make sure you guys come to the best vinyl wrap shop out here, man, in California, Gravity Wraps. So make sure you guys go check them out. Spelled just like this on their Instagram. Make sure you guys hit him up, man. He does all these dope ass colors. He got, it's like legit, look, it's a red eye Hellcat right behind me. So that's about to be dope. I had to get on camera. I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm like, I'm about to do it. So next week, Friday, we're gonna transform this car. So this is what we're gonna do. Friday, next week, we're gonna wrap this whole hood. We're gonna take all this camo off. We're gonna wrap the whole hood black. Just stay tuned. All we're just gonna do is basically wrap the whole hood gloss black to match the roof. Cause I was gonna do some carbon stuff, but then I started thinking about it. I got a lot of black accents all around the car, and it would only look right if I match the hood with the roof gloss black. So that's gonna be going down next Friday. Stay tuned. So all this vinyl wrap gonna be coming off, and it's gonna be all black. I think that's gonna be super epic. But like I said, make sure you guys come to Gravity Wraps. He wraps all the dope cars, man. Like, if you guys ain't know, look at this motherfucker right here. This is clean. This is like Nardo gray, but yeah. So hit him up, man. Make sure you guys go to Gravity Wraps on Instagram and book him, man. If you guys are even like outskirts of the Bay Area, man, hit him up. Good prices, fast, great work. You can see the cars that he do. Amazing work. So stay tuned. But we are doing something super dope right now for the spoiler that I got, the only one on YouTube, with the GT500 wing for the 5.0. And he just did something super dope. All right, so we just made it back to the crib. I gotta show you guys what we just did to the car. Made the car pop out way more. As you guys can tell already, we got the Coyote decal on the wing, man. Coyote motor, man. So that's why I had to put that on, give it some contrast, you know what I'm saying? But let's go around here. So right here, got my signature. This is my signature, Richie Mo. This is my autograph signature. So when I do autographs, that's how it's gonna look, man. So I have to get that done, man. Just say, give it, check it out right there. Whew. But anyways, I will be at Monterey Car Week coming up next week. So I'm gonna be out there on Saturday. So if you guys gonna be out there, make sure you guys say what's up. If you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will have 3 t-shirts. So if you guys randomly see me, if I got merch, I'm gonna give it to you. All you gotta do is let me know you subscribe to the YouTube channel and say hook me up. That's what you're gonna say. That's the code word so I can know you guys really a subscriber. If you see me in person at Monterey Car Week, say hook me up, and I'm gonna have 3 t-shirts, and I'm just gonna hand it out to my supporters. But everybody's gonna be there, DDE to vehicle versions to a lot of big YouTubers. Everybody's coming down. This is like the all-star weekend of motor vehicles. Like super dope. Most funnest event in car history for me, man. So it's gonna be the most epic car event. I already been to one of them in 2019, I believe, and it was the best experience ever. Like the best experience. I've been to Wake Fest, I've been to all this other shit. Monterey Car Week is the legit best. Like it's a whole week, but like I said, I'm only available to go Saturday and Sunday. But if you guys see me out there, say what's up. I'm gonna be out there with the homies and stuff. So say what's up, man. But it's the best car event in the world, and everybody's coming from all over. A lot of YouTubers, everybody. So like I said, all supercars, all project cars, all everything you could think of. This is the only day you're gonna see fucking P1s just driving, Sennas driving, Bugattis, everything just driving on the streets. When you see Mustangs, you see Camaros, you see Hellcats, you see everything. Everything's gonna be there. So like I said, we're gonna get this done. I gotta get this roof gloss black to match the roof, and we got something dope with a carbon. So stay tuned for the next video. Just wanted to let you guys know what's going down, and it's about to be epic. See you guys at Monterey Car Week.